Hi, I'm Natalie from Taste Lovely, and today I am collaborating with Chomps. I'm gonna show you how to make 1 work week worth of meals in 1 hour. Yes, really, 1 hour for 5 dinners, lunches, breakfast, and snacks. Let's get cooking. Let me show you how to get your week of meals ready to go. For breakfast, we're gonna be making a big batch of chaffles. Chaffles are a keto-friendly waffle that are made with just 3 ingredients. You need eggs, mozzarella cheese, and almond flour or almond meal works too. Stir it up until it's evenly combined, then spray your waffle iron with avocado oil spray so it doesn't stick. Pour on the batter. It's very thick, so make sure you spread it into an even layer. Let the waffle iron work its magic until it's this perfect, crispy, golden brown. This is so good. It's very hot, so transfer it to a wire rack to cool, then break it open. Oh, delicious. My favorite way to eat this is to use it to make avocado toast. So smash up an avocado, spread it on top, season it with kosher salt, and I love topping it with microgreens, which is gonna add even more nutrients into it, and this is gonna satisfy all of your avocado toast cravings. This is the best part. They store really well in the fridge. I love adding them to a zip top bag. Then you can reheat them in the toaster. For lunch, we're gonna be having my sheet pan chicken fajitas. I love a sheet pan meal because all you have to do is slice the veggies. In this case, we're using bell pepper and onion. Put them on the sheet pan and the oven does all the work for you. I recommend lining your sheet pan with parchment paper for easy cleanup. I'm just drizzling on some avocado oil and giving all the veggies a good toss so they're well coated in oil. I'm gonna season the veggies with kosher salt. Then right on top of the veggies, I'm gonna add the chicken breasts, drizzle those with avocado oil, and then season them with taco seasoning. This is great because as the chicken cooks, it's gonna flavor the fajita veggies. It's just gonna be so delicious. Now I just have to put it in the oven and let it cook away. Once the chicken fajitas are done cooking, you're gonna remove them from the oven and let them cool to room temperature. Once they're cool, you can transfer the fajita veggies and the chicken into meal prep containers so it's all set to go each day for lunch. I love adding in these little guacamole cups. I got these ones at Costco, but Trader Joe's has them as well. Then just add the lids on and you'll keep them in the fridge. When it's lunchtime, you can either eat it as is, just dipping the chicken into guacamole, or another thing I love to do is chop it all up over some romaine lettuce and eat it like a chicken fajita taco salad. Lastly, we will make our dinner for the week, which is my sheet pan jerk chicken. You're gonna start off by slicing Brussels sprouts. I love slicing them in half. Then I'm gonna get out my sheet pan again, line it with parchment paper for easy cleanup, and drizzle it with avocado oil. I'm gonna add the Brussels sprouts just to the bottom half of the sheet pan and drizzle them with more avocado oil. Then in the top half of the sheet pan, I'm gonna nestle in all of my chicken breasts. I can get 5 to fit perfectly. Drizzle those with avocado oil, season the Brussels sprouts with kosher salt, and then season the chicken breasts with Jamaican jerk seasoning. It's a really good warm seasoning. It has like cinnamon and thyme. It's a great way to spice up chicken. Add it into the oven to roast away, and after it's done cooking, we're gonna let it cool completely, and then it's ready to add to meal prep containers. I'm gonna add in some cauliflower rice. This was frozen cauliflower rice that I thawed and I squeezed out the water. Then I'm gonna add in the Brussels sprouts and all of the chicken into each meal prep container. And now dinner is ready and portioned out for each day of the week. Both of these sheet pan meals will keep in their meal prep container in the fridge for at least a week or in the freezer for at least a year. Then when you're ready to eat, just reheat it and enjoy. 1 hour later, and I now have 5 dinners, lunches, breakfast, and snacks. Hence the little mess here in the background. This 1 hour of prep is gonna have all of your meals set for the week, which is gonna make it so easy for you to stick to your keto goals since all the meals are ready for you. To change up the variety so it doesn't seem like you're eating the same thing every day, one of my favorite hacks is to have a different flavor of Chomps for a snack each day. Chomps is my go-to keto snack. They are so delicious. If you've never had it before, it tastes like a dried sausage stick. It's made with either 100% grass-fed beef or free-range turkey. All the flavors have either 9 to 10 grams of protein, but 0 carbs. They travel so well, you don't have to keep them refrigerated, so they're fine to throw in your car or your desk at work or in your diaper bag. They're great to have on the go and they really fill you up. I love that they have so many different flavors, so it'll be like a new flavor each day. There are links to all the recipes below in the description box. If you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe on YouTube and give this video a like. Again, I am Natalie with Taste Lovely. It was so great working with Chomps today. Be sure to leave any questions and comments below.